Hi friends, welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So in this video, we'll see one important program. Okay, given an year, we need to check whether it is a leap year or not. So we'll take the input from the command line or console, and we'll take the input from console and we'll check whether the given year is leap year or not. So this is one of the important program. First, we'll do this program in three different ways. In the first way, we'll write our own implementation. And in the second way, we'll be using the Gregorian calendar and by using the Gregorian calendar API, how to check whether it is a leap year or not. And the third one is after Java 8. So we have a local date class, right? So by using the local date class, how do you find out whether a given year is leap year or not? So these are the three different ways we are going to check. For example, given the input is 2000, so 2000 is a leap year. So the output should say true. If I give 2001, it should say false. That is, it's not a leap year. False means not a leap year. Hope you got it right. So let's start the program. So I have created a class called leap year demo and I'm writing a main method here. So this is the main method. Okay. So first I'll create one method saying, okay, before creating method, what I told, we'll be taking the input from console, right? So how do we take the input from the console? We'll create a instance of scanner input equal to new scanner of system.in. And then write an sys out here. Enter the year here. And then what we need to do, we need to store that value. Whatever the value we are getting from the console, right? We'll be taking one variable called year and we'll store that value, whatever we are getting from the console, into this int year. Okay, so just say input dot next int. Okay, so now what we'll be doing, we'll take one method called method1 and we'll pass the value which we got from the console, which is the variable year, and here we'll be doing that validation. So let's first create quick fix and create method1. So in this method 1, by using the first method, we'll check whether the given year is leap year or not. Okay. So as I told you, in this first method, what we'll be doing, we'll write our own implementation. So the first condition we need to check is if year percentile 400 equal to 0. Okay. Or I'll explain you the condition what I'm writing here. First let me complete the condition. If year percentile 100 equal to 0, or next condition, what is the next condition? Year percentile 4 equal to 0, or so these two comes under a single condition. So let's put one parenthesis. And let's add one more condition here, which is year percentile 100 not equal to 0. So this is the second condition. I'll explain you the condition what I have written here. So let me check where it is missing. So this is the one parenthesis and this is the one. Okay, this is the second one and this is the third one. Okay. So for this third one, let's add one more parenthesis. Okay, so this is for if block and this is for year condition. Okay, So let me explain you what I'm trying to do here. So if year per equal to 0 or year percentile 4 equal to 0, so if this condition satisfies, and along with that year percentile and 100 not equal to 0, so when it is percentile, okay, year percentile 100 not equal to 0, only in that case, okay, we should say it's a leap year. Okay, so return true. So I need to change the method definition here. So here I need to return boolean because I'll be printing this value here. Okay, so what is the first condition? If year percentile 400 equal to 0 or year percentile, okay, so this one second, sorry, this is the condition here. If year percentile 400 equal to 0, and then or one more condition, year percentile 4 equal to 0, and add here. Okay, this is the condition. So these two are one condition and this is one condition. I'll explain you while executing this program how it works. Okay, and year percentile 100 not equal to 0, it's return true, else return false. So, and finally we need to print out this in sysout. So let's run the program and debug this. So first I'm running this program. I have to explain this logic. Okay, enter the here. So I'm entering the as 2000. Okay, it triggered the debug point. So let's see. So if you see here, if year percentile 400 equal to 0. So 2000 percentile 400 equal to 0. Is it true or not? Yes. If you see here, 200 percentile 400 equal to true. Or okay, 2000 percentile 4 equal to 0. Is it true? Yes, because 4 is divisible, 2000 is divisible by 4 and it will return the remainder. Okay, this one is true. And the next condition, what is this? Year percentile 100 not equal to 0. Is it true? No. When 2000 percentile 100, okay, so it is divisible by 100, and when we say year percentile 100, it is, it returns the 0. But the condition is not 0, and finally this condition will be false. Okay, let's see. So first, year percentile 400 equal to true 0. Yes, it returns true. And then here we need to check. So this should be false. If you see, this will be false here. Why false? Because so here the condition is 2000 percentile 100 not equal to 0. It is false. But since here it is true, or condition, it will return true. Okay. So finally 2000 is a leap year. Hope you understand, right? So let's run the program and we'll get the output as true. For example, I'm not running in the debug mode. So 2001, we'll check whether it is okay. So 2001 is false, it will return false. Why? Because I'll tell you. So 2001 percentile 400 is equal to 0. So this one will be false. And at the same time, year percentile 4 equal to 0. So 2001 percentile 4 equal to 0. This one is also false. So false or false. So this condition will fail and it comes to this else block and it will return false. So let's run the program and see the output. If you see here, we are getting false. So hope you understand, right, how to write our own implementation. Now let's see the method to by using the what is the second method? By using the calendar, Gregorian calendar. So for this also what we need to do, we need to pass the year. Let's create this method. Now here what we need to do, we need to return new Gregorian calendar, okay, dot is leap year. So here just change it from void to boolean. If you see here, we have a method called is leap year in the Gregorian calendar class. Okay, so what this is leap year will do, it will check if the given year is leap year or not. It returns true if the given year is a leap year. Okay, so if it is false, otherwise, if it is not a leap year, it will return the false. True if the given year is a leap year, false otherwise. So that's how this method works. So this is the method 2. So let's run the program and see the output. So for both the okay, so let me first check the leap year and then I'll check not leap year. Okay, enter the year here. So 2000. So it should return true 2 times. Okay, I need to print this out here because by using both the methods we need to get 2 sysouts here. Let's run the program and see the output. Enter the year here, 2001, false. Now if we run this method again, let's see, and we'll check whether leap year or not. For the leap year it should print true. So let's take one leap year and check whether it is true or not. (2001) false. So this is the second method. So before Java 8 we used to do like this by using the Gregorian calendar. Now let's see using the third method how do we do this. Okay, let's copy this and add one more method which is method 3 and create one. Okay, create one method. And here what we'll be doing, we'll be using the local date API, which is nothing but Java time API, which is there in the Java time. So let's check return java.time. So this java.time was added in Java 8. Okay, here dot we have a method called off. So in this year.off, when we pass, right, we need to pass the year. It will take input year. And finally what we need to check, 1 second, let me return the boolean value here and let's remove the null here. Okay, here what I need to do, after passing we have one more method isLeap. It will return the boolean value. So what this isLeap will do, it will return the boolean value. So when we pass the year to this year class, in the year class we have a method called off. So what this do, it obtains the instance of the year. Okay, so this method accepts the year value from the Prophetic ASO calendar system. Okay, so it returns the year, not null. So when we pass the year, it will return the year, and from this year we have one more method called isLeap. Okay, what this isLeap will do, So checks if the year is leap year according to the proleptic calendar system rules. Okay. However, years divisible by 100 are not leap years. That is correct. So if it is only divisible by 100, it is not leap year, with the exception of years divisible by 400, which are, for example, 1904 is a leap year. It is divisible by 4. 1900 was not a leap year as it was divisible by 100. However, 2000 was a leap year as it was divisible by 400. Okay. So this is how it checks. So EaseLeap method is important method which was introduced in Java 8. So these are the three different methods we can check, okay, to get to check whether the given year is leap year or not. Let's run the program and see the output. So if I enter here 2000, it should return true 3 times. Why? Because by all the 3 methods we should get that. Okay, it should return the true. And one more thing, if you see here, it was mentioned clearly, okay, where it was mentioned, not here, 1900, okay, 1904 is a leap year, it is divisible by 4. 1900 is not a leap year as it is divisible by 100. So though it is divisible by 100, it was not divisible by 400. So that is the reason 1900 is not a leap year. Let's run the program and check with all the 3 methods we are not getting as not leap year or not for 1900. So I'm running the program. See here, false. So hope you understand. Okay, so write a Java program how to get the year is leap year or not. So thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.